Hey everyone, welcome back. I'm Shaylin. In today's Speak With Me episode, we're going to have another real conversation together. We'll talk like friends, and if you have followed my previous episodes in this series, you already know how this works. If you are new, let me quickly explain. In this series, I prepare simple, real-life dialogues for you. In today's lesson, we will practice a restaurant conversation. You will learn how to ask for the menu, order starters, and order your main course. Here's how we will do it. In the first round, I will be the customer and you will be the server. In the second round, we will switch roles. You will be the customer and I will be the server. This way, you learn useful words and phrases and also practice speaking in a real situation. So, let's get started. I am the customer, read your lines from the screen, and let's have a conversation. Hello, good evening. Do you have a table for one? Thank you. This table looks nice. Thanks. Could you give me a few minutes to look at it? Excuse me. I think so. But first, could you tell me what today's special is? That sounds good. Is it spicy? Okay, great. I'd like to start with something light. What do you recommend? All right, I'll have the tomato soup. Yes, I'd also like a fresh lime soda. Sweet, please. And for the main course, I'm thinking of something simple. I'll go with the grilled chicken. Rice, please. Also, can you make it a little less spicy? Great, thank you. No, that's all for now. Thank you. Everything looks great. Excuse me, could I get some extra napkins? Thank you so much. This was really nice. Well done, my friend. We have completed round 1 and you practiced more than 20 sentences. Now let's switch roles. This time, you will be the customer and I will be the server. Get ready and let's continue our conversation. Good evening, ma'am. Welcome. Yes, of course. Please come this way. You're welcome. Here is the menu. Sure, take your time. Yes, ma'am. Are you ready to order? Today's special is grilled fish with vegetables. No, it's mildly spiced. Sure, what would you like as a starter? I recommend the tomato soup or the garlic bread. One tomato soup. Anything else? Sure, sweet or salted? Got it. Would you like to try our grilled chicken or paneer curry? Would you like it with rice or bread? Okay. Yes, we can do that. Anything else, ma'am? All right, your order will be ready soon. You're welcome. Thank you. Please enjoy your meal. Of course, I'll bring them right away. You're welcome. I'm glad you liked it. Great job for staying with me till the end. In today's practice, you learned how to ask for a table, ask for the menu, order a starter, choose a main course, and speak politely in a restaurant. You also practiced how to ask questions, understand suggestions, and respond naturally in a real conversation. And the most important thing is, you didn't just listen, you spoke. That is how real improvement happens. If you made it till here, you are already doing better than most learners. Keep practicing like this, and you will feel more confident every day. Try to repeat this conversation again later, maybe even without looking at the screen. I'll see you in the next episode. Keep learning, keep speaking, and most importantly, take care of yourself. Bye-bye.